Hey guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really special because I'm doing it for my own college, and most of you know that I study in Pearl Academy and the time has come when the new batch comes in. So why I decided to do this video is because I got a lot of DMs from you guys about Pearl and questions related to your college choices. So here I am shooting this video on your request. Let's not waste any more time and dig into your questions. I'm gonna answer them. Let's get started. I'm taking up the first question, which is asked by Trisha with the username Born in Wrong Era. So she asks me, what do people study there in terms of courses? So Pearl Academy basically offers 30 courses in different levels: undergraduate, postgraduate, professional certificates, and also weekend courses. So about weekend courses, they're like the 11-month duration courses, and a lot of moms of my friend circle have enrolled in the weekend courses, which is so cool. Moms and the kids are studying in the same institute. Personally, what I feel is best about Pearl is there's no textbook culture. Like, so it's going to be 1 year in Pearl और मैं एक भी दिन एक book नहीं लेके गए, because we do not need textbook. Why is it good? Because then we have been taught things which are very, very relevant and practical in today's time, in the current scenario. So what is in demand in the industry, we've been taught that. So after all, this is what is helpful, and the books which are published years ago and we've been studying them over and over again is not cool. And this is what I love about Pearl. So I am studying fashion and lifestyle business management in Pearl Academy, which is for 3 years. So the next question is, how is photography a strong career and how to convince parents? So I feel photography has grown beyond just a hobby today, which is why it has grown into multitude of professions like blogging, like fashion photography, wedding photography, and so on. So the fact that there are various colleges which are coming up with photography courses is the validation for same. So I think if something is your passion, it is your hobby. So like photography, you like doing photography and you get a professional training in the same, and it enhances your skill. So what is better than that? If you tell such facts to your parents, they're definitely going to get convinced. And in Pearl, I have a lot of friends from photography course, and they tell that they get training from the best photographers in the industry today, like John Edwards, a few names which I know, Rohit Dhingra, famous fashion photographers, the UNICEF's official photographer in India. So yeah, the next question is asked by Piyush Anandwani 007, that BJMC में से journalism and entertainment में से कौन सा अच्छा है? So I think both of these courses are very, very similar yet different, because they differ from a very thin line. So I'll tell you a little about both of them. Journalist is morely focused towards the news media platforms, and it has a significant focus on the online journalism and the digital media. So it is very much focused on one aspect, which can be content development in the news media platforms. And if I talk about entertainment, so this focuses on the new and upcoming fields which are related in media and communication. So there is creative content development. So you'll be taught about the production and the creative content creating processes in the field of entertainment. So which is emerging, which is growing like hell, and this applies on both the global level and the local context also. Journalism is a kind of a traditional course, but entertainment focuses on what is emerging and what are the new trends and all of that. So yeah. So the next question is asked by Ruhi Chopra. She says, what is the difference between fashion design and textile design? So textile courses are focused on designing contemporary fabrics which are used in the fashion industry, and for which the Indian textile industry is internationally renowned for that. And for that you get teachings from the national designers, international designers, and also the local artisans. So textile is focused on the fabric and more on the components. On the other hand, fashion designing is the most glamorous course in the education industry, and if you feel you have that passion for fashion, you know about quirky fashion, unique fashion, or maybe traditional fashion, and you think you want to pursue that as a career, so you can definitely go for fashion designing. And fashion designing However, we do not have types of fashion designing because it covers various topics. Like fashion styling is a component and it is more or less a part of fashion designing. So Pearl actually में सबसे ज़्यादा it is famous for fashion designing. So if you feel that you want to do that, of course you should choose the best. I am wondering, I've got a lot of questions on photography. So by this only we can make out that photography is liked by so many people and they really want to make it into a profession. So with this, another question is, can you tell more about fashion photography course? So I should tell you first that fashion photography is altogether something different than compared to the other kinds of photography like wedding photography or so. So basically fashion photography is the most emerging in today's industry and it has created its own name. So what exactly fashion photography is that here you have to make clothing or any other fashion items attractive by the perfect light, by the perfect location, so that it looks attractive and people buy it. And who doesn't like to be photographed by a professional, right? So, and nowadays people are spending lakhs to just get that great photographs. So Pearl offers a fashion photography course for an 11-month certificate course in the Delhi campus. Another great thing which I feel about Pearl is that they really get to meet you, the experts and the real people working and who have made their names in the industry throughout the years. You really get to meet them. You will get guest lectures, you will get workshops and all that stuff. So this is great. So the next question is that, do you know anything about event management and if there's any scholarship which can cover half of the fees? So I don't think that there's a separate specified course for event management, but definitely there might be courses which has this aspect and it covers event management. So I think about the courses and all, you can contact the counselor, you can go visit the campus, meet the counselor or get some information from the website. And about the scholarship also, I think you should go once and visit because I know there are scholarships available for our college and you will get the best knowledge about it from the counselor in the campus. So another question which is so interesting I got is that, where can I study luxury brand management in India? So Pearl offers a course which is a luxury brand management. It is there in the Delhi and the Mumbai campuses, and you know, luxury industry, luxury brands are growing tremendously and the industry require luxury brand managers. So Pearl offers you that course. It is the only institute which offers this kind of course, which is the luxury brand management. You really get to meet individuals from Gucci, from Genesis Luxury, from LV, really come into the college for guest lectures. So the next question is, hi, I'm in 12th and I am into music and design. So can I form any combination with these two to join? So I feel music and design can go hand in hand because both of them are very, very creative fields and they both, you know, kind of stem to each other's growth. And I'm sure there must be ways which can combine the same, and that information will be told by you to the career advisor who you can meet in the campus. So I got another question from Simran, which is, can you give me some tips for preparing the exam and the interview? It would be very thankful. If I could get in the Pearl Academy, I hope to meet you soon, hoping a positive reply. Thank you so much, Simran. That is so sweet of you. I would love to meet you guys if you get into Pearl Academy. So talking about your question about the interview and the exams, that is another topic altogether, and the video is going to go so long. So if you guys really want to know if you guys have filled the application form, you'll be appearing for the interview and the exam, let me know in the comments and I can do another video which is entirely focused on how you can crack the Pearl entrance, how I did it. So I can give you tips on that, and if you want to know, you can comment down below and I'll do the video if I get more than 5 responses. That is it for today's video. I tried to cover almost all the questions, and personally talking about my experience, Pearl has been very, very great to me, and I have given a lot to my college and I'm really happy. Abhi mujhe 1 year ho gaya hai, so far so good. I have seen a lot of change in myself since I got into Pearl. So I hope that this is going to be same for you guys who are planning to join Pearl. And if you do, I'm going to meet all of you. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. I had a great time shooting this video because I was actually answering to your questions. So it was great. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do not forget to hit like and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. I love you guys. Bye.